So, how's everybody doing? Hello, Hussein. Hi, how are you? Verma Gold Market Future. Hi, how are you? Jihad. Today I will talk about all markets because I'm looking for potential. Charles, hi, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you, guys. Hussein and Charles. Today we'll talk about all markets and I will try to identify new potential setups and trades. And I will also talk about the US economic data and its impact, guys, because core price index, employment cost index, Chicago PMI, revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment, personal spending, personal income could have a big impact. Maybe later today could bring sharp movements and high volatility. And let's take a look. Let's start with the dollar index. But first of all, guys, don't forget to Ricardo. Hi, how are you? William, Ahmed. How is everybody doing? And don't forget, guys, also to like the video if you like my work here and my analysis, my setups, my trades. Read disclaimer, please read it. And if you have questions about services, about subscription, okay. Yesterday my gold hit the stop loss, so I did not get profit from it. That was not my trade. Personally, I didn't had a trade in gold. So please take a look, guys. Every time or when you have questions about my trades, please take a look again on the VIP group, and you will see my name under my work, under my trades. So that was not my trade, unfortunately. Personally, I've had yesterday only this setup in Euro USD. This was my trade yesterday, actually, my setup. And personally, I've deleted the pending order. This was the setup, and I've deleted the pending order before the economic data, before the advanced gross domestic product, unemployment claims, advanced price index, pending home sales, because here and also after, despite the poor economic data reported by this indicator, advanced GDP, only 1.1% growth versus 2.0% growth expected. Euro USD stayed here maybe below the R1, and then it has crashed. Right now, maybe it would have been a good trade and setup, but right now I'm looking for something else. So this was my pending order yesterday. Personally, I didn't had a trade in gold. Okay, one moment, just. As you were teaching, thanks. Do you think we will get a signal on the VIP today? Retrading. If I'll have something like a high probability trade, I will share my trades. Please give us signal long time waiting. Charles, GPI longs. Here we go. Ricardo. Okay. So DXY first of all, and then I will talk about. I'll talk also about Japanese yen, because Japanese yen basket crashed. Okay, it has extended its sell-off, and also I'm waiting about the Japanese chart, about the Japanese yen. Personally, I'm waiting also for this sell-off to be over, and then I will look for potential new rebounds here after this massive sell-off. Okay. One moment. I'm waiting, guys, for this sell-off to end, and potential and temporary rebounds could bring us Japanese yen longs. But right now, and also you already know that we had the BOJ, Bank of Japan, in the early morning. I will take a look on US equities as well. Thank you, guys. Also on cryptocurrencies. BOJ in the early morning, also mixed economic data. Japan reported the mixed data in the morning. Strong sell-off also, maybe because the BOJ maintained it or left its BOG policy rate unchanged at minus 0.10%. So but I'll wait for this sell-off to end, to be over, and then I will try to identify if it remains to see, because yeah, maybe personally I thought that it could stay above 77.77, but it has yeah, it has rebounded after reaching the lower medium line, but still the downside pressure is still high, and yeah, deeper drop here could still force the Japanese yen to lose more ground versus his rivals. So I'll wait to see how it will react, maybe here around 77.49, or if it will invalidate this breakdown here. So right now the Japanese yen is still bearish, is still strongly bearish. Okay, I will come back and I will take a look on Japanese yen pairs. About the US dollar, guys, today I've talked about the US dollar, the dollar index in my one moment, in my in that market breakdown video, when I've said that yeah, maybe we've missed here something after this retreat, a potential US dollar long. Yeah, and yeah, when I've recorded that video and the dollar index was already here, and I've said that maybe I would like to see a new retreat before jumping higher, and unfortunately, yeah, it has extended its growth, and right now it has reached the medium line. Okay, so strong growth here on the dollar index. That's why the US dollar appreciated versus his rivals. I'll wait a little, maybe, to see how it will react here on the medium line, because a new higher high or taking out the medium line could signal potential further growth. But if we'll take a look here, it has reached an order block, a supply zone. We are in a resistance zone as well. So only maybe, and it's very important today, the economic data or the fundamentals could move the markets, okay, and could shake the markets, could bring high volatility and sharp movements. And in my opinion, better than expected US data could help, okay, the DXY to take out also the medium line, to invalidate the supply zones and to extend its growth maybe towards the upper medium line, towards the former high, and maybe I will look for potential new US dollar longs, or worse than expected data could bring us maybe only retest here, false breakouts, and then the DXY could turn to the downside. So it's very important to understand that later the fundamentals will move the markets, and it remains to see how it will react. Okay, so yeah, about Euro USD, about Euro USD, maybe I'll wait for Euro USD to come back down, or because I don't know if it will rebound from around this zone, or after taking out the former lows, and after reaching this zone I will look for longs, because this is in a high probability maybe a buying zone, demand zone, and reaching this demand zone could bring us maybe potential new longs here on the Euro USD. Okay, so personally I've had yesterday this pending order. Okay, I've deleted that pending order, that setup with a sell stop right below this former low. I would have been in profit right now, but I decided to manage it before the economic data yesterday. Okay, thanks. It is and hit the stop loss in my station. I know it's your mistake. It's my company spread. What? It was your signal? No, it was not my signal, because personally I didn't send a trade yesterday in gold, guys. Yeah, please take a look, and when you will see my name Olympio under my trades, under my work, under my posts, you will see it's me. Okay, if you will see other names, yeah, it's not me. Okay, yeah, about the about personally I'm using 8 cap here at Learn to Trade, guys. Okay, so yes, I understand it now. Silver again, crypto. About silver, let's take a look. Silver. I talked about silver in my video today, and I said that these false breakdowns may signal, or staying near the downtrend line may signal an upside breakout, an imminent breakout. Let's wait for the economic data, because yeah, poor US economic data should maybe could force the price of gold and silver to jump higher, or better than expected US data could send the price of silver at least towards the former lows. But right now, yeah, after what happened here, okay, sideways movement, test retest, false breakdowns, personally I'm still expecting a potential rally, but it remains to see, because better than expected US data could still force the price of silver to drop or something. Yeah, US 500, maybe I will take a look on all markets, but please wait. And also about that market, US 500, on what time frame? Please tell me what you are looking at. Are you a bull, a bear? You want to sell? You want to buy? Your levels, your time frame, please, guys. Yeah. British pound, the Japanese yen short. I don't know. I will take a look on those on the Japanese yen pairs in several minutes. Okay. Okay. So that's my my opinion about and maybe. Yeah, but right now, no, I don't want to place pending order like a buy limit or something. I'll wait to see how to react. But yeah, maybe in the short term it could approach and reach this zone before turn it to the upside. Okay, yeah. So right now I'll wait. British pound. I will take a look on all markets, as I said, because I really want to identify new potential setups for me first of all, and then I will share my my trades and my setups with you guys. Now I really hate this extended sideways movement here on British pound versus the US dollar. I don't have a high probability trade right now here. Yeah, yesterday US dollar Japanese yen, or yeah, that sell-off on the Japanese yen basket forced the Japanese yen to depreciate versus rivals, as I've said, and yeah, maybe here we had something like a pattern inside of this pitchfork, potential channel, and then boom. Okay, right now about US dollar Japanese yen, let's take a look on 4 hour. Let's take a look on 4 hour. I will look for longs if I will have a new retreat, or I will look for shorts after maybe reaching this border block here, after reaching this the former highs, after reaching maybe this area supply zone, and of course after developing a bearish pattern here in the short term. So right now I don't think I'll have something after this amazing rally. No, I don't want to do anything here in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Yeah, maybe I'll wait for retreats before I will go long, or maybe I'll wait for an upside continuation before I will look for potential shorts. Okay, USD CAD. Yeah, about USD CAD. Yeah. False breakdowns below 1.3599, strong rally because we had that the upside continuation on the dollar index. Yeah, maybe we've missed something here. Also after retesting here the uptrend line, after failing to stay below the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork here, because after this amazing rally, sideways movement, only false breakdown, and then boom, right? And yeah, maybe I'm still looking for potential longs, but yeah, maybe I would like the price to come back down before developing a new bullish momentum. Okay, because please take a look what happened here. Sideways movement here, false breakdown. Okay, it has reached or it was almost to hit this this order block here, this this demand zone. And then boom. Yeah, we've missed something here, maybe in the early morning, probably we had here something, maybe after this rally retreat, maybe we've missed something. Yeah, potential long here, but you already know that I'm out during the Asian session, and unfortunately we cannot catch every trade, but that's why I'm looking right now for new potential setups and the high probability trades. US dollar versus the Swiss franc. What's that indicator name that you use? I'm using a lot of maybe pivot points. I'm using that smart money concept indicator, but please guys, you need to understand also the price action. You need to understand because personally I'm not trading only based on that indicator. I've told you several times. No, I'm using it only maybe because I don't know, trying to identify demand zones, supply zones, but no, I'm not trading only based on that indicator. I'm using personally I'm using also fundamentals, technicals, a mix between fundamentals and technicals. I'm using a confluence trading strategy. Yeah, I'm using pitchfork, price action, indicators. Yeah, I have a question. Is this these guys helping us? I don't get what. Why are these guys helping us? I don't get it. People in this world are not this nice. So I don't know. Maybe this question is for you guys. I don't know. You can reply if you want. But yeah, this is real, guys. Personally, I'm sharing my trades, yeah, my knowledge, my trades, my setups. I'm sharing high value content every day, videos. Maybe I'm recording tutorials from when I have time or something like this. Ripple, I will talk about Ripple as well. So yeah, I believe that Al Hassan, I believe that you are not a VIP member. And yeah, you can join our free group, or I believe that you are already in our free group, something. So yeah, thank you guys. So about Ripple, let's take a look. But first of all, I will US dollar Swiss franc. Also about this market. About this market. Yeah, personally, I'm sharing my trades into the VIP group because, yeah, the VIP members are paying a subscription to get my trades. US dollar Swiss franc. Maybe here it was. About this market as well, I'll wait for the economic data because yeah, technically maybe after this this candle here, it has signaled exhausted maybe sellers, and the price action signaled that maybe this downside movement could be over, but yeah, I'll wait because the economic data, guys, also after dropping below this this former low and reaching this zone, yeah, because if the economic data will come in worse than expected, then probably US dollar versus the Swiss franc could drop. Also, maybe I would like to see a temporary retreat, temporary drop before I will look for potential longs here, because right now, no, I don't want to sell it. I don't want to sell it, but I don't have do you see a possibility for shorting gold? No, Right now, no, I don't have anything in gold. Let's take a look. Gold, silver, US oil. No, right now, sideways movement, guys. And only if maybe if it will come back to retest here, then I will look for potential new shorts. But it depends. It depends. Do you see a possibility for shorting gold? But on what time frame? Maybe probably I will go short here. I don't know. For example, if I will go short here with a stop loss here, maybe you cannot afford to open a trade with a, I don't know, 0.5-1% risk using such a big stop loss, and maybe the price could drop deeper, or maybe that's why, please guys, if you want me to answer to your questions, please tell me what you are looking at, and also your levels, your time frame, because yeah, maybe you can catch something on lower time frames. Okay, after reaching this zone, maybe you're short, but yeah. GPI dropping deeper, anything to trade in indices. I will take a look on US equities. How much for VIP? So if you want to join, guys, if you want to join the VIP groups, okay, you can hit the link. I will send the link into the chat, or you can use the link below this video. You can click on the link below this video, and for the Forex VIP group, it's 40 pounds, and yeah, right now we don't have a discount code. I don't think that we'll have a discount code soon. Actually, you can look for actually you can use YouTube at the checkout to get a 10% discount if you want. Yeah, and you can join also the VIP swing trading group, the crypto VIP group. Looking for the short on gold, Ricardo. Yeah, right now, no, I don't have a short opportunity or trade in gold. Yeah, because please take a look here. Former lows as potential downside targets, and if the price reaches maybe this zone, it could rebound. It depends, guys. It depends. As I've said earlier, the economic data could bring us high volatility and sharp movements. And in my opinion, if the US data, or if the US will report worse than expected data, then probably gold and silver could turn to the upside. Okay, could develop a new bullish momentum. But right now, no, I don't have a high probability trade and setup. Okay, sell off. Yeah, that's why maybe I'm using this Bitcoin. I will take a look on cryptocurrencies in several minutes. Just waiting for last gold signal. Personally, I talked about gold yesterday. I don't know if you watched yesterday's daily video analysis when I've talked about this upper medium line here as a dynamic resistance. And I said that a new lower low here, dropping, closing and stabilizing below 1,997 could open the door for a potential sell-off. So it's also important, guys, to watch all my videos. You can learn a lot from my videos. From my analysis, that's why I'm here. Yeah. And when I'll have something like a high probability trade, I will share my trades. Yeah. Your pending order on US oil 2 weeks ago would have been nice in profits now. Yeah, but I've deleted that pending order, I believe. Yeah. I will look for something else, guys. But yeah, right now the pressure remains high in the short term on gold, and gold could approach and reach maybe this zone again, the former lows, only because the DXY rallied. Personally, I'm using this correlation. Please take a look here. The dollar index rallied, the US dollar appreciated, and when the US dollar appreciates and when the DXY rallies, personally I'm expecting gold and silver to drop, and when the dollar index drops, I'm expecting maybe gold and silver to grow. Personally, I'm using this correlation. Maybe it's not a perfect one, it's not a really strong one, but I'm using this correlation. And value breakout here on the dollar index, upside continuation should force the price of gold and silver to drop. Okay, so let's take a look on for example Ripple, and then I will take a look also I will take a look also on here on Binance. I'll take a look on US equities and also I'll talk about the Japanese yen. About Ripple, someone asked me about Ripple. Okay, this is my opinion about Ripple. Whoa. This is my opinion about Ripple. After its strong downside movement, okay, it has reached this zone probably as a demand zone, a buying zone. It has jumped above the downtrend line. It has tested, retested, sideways movement, and personally I have here 1, 2, and 3 an ascending pitchfork, rally, retreat. Probably we had here something because it has retested the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, and then boom, retreat, boom towards the medium line. Okay, that's why personally I really love this technical tool, Andrew's pitchfork, because this tool helps me to identify potential setups, trades, high probability trades and setups, and also targets like the medium line, the first target, maybe the upper medium line as the second target, support, dynamic support, or if you are using maybe descending pitchfork like this one here, you have dynamic resistance, dynamic support, targets. Yeah, very important. So that's why I'm using also Andrew's pitchfork. Okay, one moment, I deleted my no shit, I've deleted okay, I've deleted my indicator. Nope. Yeah, by mistake I've added here. Sorry. Don't forget, guys, also if you are interested in L2T algorithm, yeah, you can visit also our website if you want to use it. So about one moment, because I have to yeah, swing points. Something like this, present. Yeah, okay. One moment. About yeah, Ripple. About Ripple. Yeah, it has reached the medium line, retreat, and here this channel or this flag could represent a potential bullish pattern, an upside continuation pattern. Okay, it has reached again maybe a buying zone here, and on lower time frames like 4 hour, 1 hour. Right now we have something like a range pattern again. A range pattern, and the new higher high value breakout here could signal potential for the growth. After this false breakdown, great separation below 0.440404, it has signaled potential an imminent breakout, upside breakout, and continuation in the short term, at least towards the former highs, at least towards the downtrend line. Okay, this is my opinion in the short term about Ripple. Bitcoin, let's take a look on and also if the price of Bitcoin jumps higher than Ripple, maybe Ripple, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, the altcoins could increase as well, could jump higher as well. Bitcoin sell-off, here rally, a retest, and right now maybe in the short term I would like to see a consolidation accumulation before jumping higher. Okay, maybe I'm looking for potential longs also on on Bitcoin, because its correction ended, and after maybe temporary accumulation consolidation, or let's take a look if we'll use one moment. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. If it stays maybe above the broken downtrend line, yeah, even if it registers false breakdowns here, if it consolidates here, it could signal potential further growth and upside continuation here in the short term. About, this is my opinion about Bitcoin, right? But yeah, it remains to see. Ethereum as well. Ethereum. One moment, guys. Now internal. Okay. Something like this. Okay, about Ethereum, in my opinion, also here, temporary retreat, accumulation, consolidation, because after it's a false breakdown here with great separation below the former lows, after reaching this zone, yeah, it has really a sell-off. But in my opinion, the upside pressure remains high. Okay, the upside pressure remains high. Temporary drops could bring us maybe long opportunities, and also here in the short term, yeah, maybe only temporary retreats before developing a new bullish momentum. So I'm looking only for longs on cryptocurrencies right now. Okay, British pound, Japanese yen. I don't know if I'll have something on the Japanese yen. I've told you guys, after what happened on the yen basket, after this massive sell-off, I'll wait, and I need the confirmation that this sell-off ended and that the Japanese yen could turn to the upside. Let's invite more members, maybe. Rafael Pinto, looking at the 1 day time frame, potential further growth on US 100. So I'll wait for the sell-off to be over, and then I will look for US dollar. For Japanese yen longs, because yeah, most likely we'll have a rebound. Yeah. Most likely we'll have a rebound. One moment, I have to check something. Okay, so this is my opinion. So let's take a look on US equities. US equities. Yeah. Potential further growth. Daily. I don't know. Because after what happened here on daily, yeah, maybe personally I would have liked maybe the price to hit this zone, but right now, only false breakout above 13,224 on daily. So personally, I'm using also correlation between maybe US equities and US dollar. Okay, and when the US dollar is strongly bullish, maybe I don't want to go long on the US equities, on US 30, US 500, US 100. Okay, and also when the DXY it's bearish, maybe I want to go long on US equities. So daily, personally, I don't want to do anything on daily, because also it's really hard maybe also to catch a potential trade, because I don't know if you can afford to place a trade maybe on daily, and to use, I don't know, maybe a stop loss here, or I don't know. Yeah, that's why maybe I'm looking for potential trades on give us a good US after news event, please. And Charles, if I don't have a high probability setup on US 100, no, I will not send the trade on US on 100 only because you want to get a trade on US 100. Please understand that I'm looking for high probability setups only, high probability trades. Yeah, and if I'll have maybe on something on US dollar, I will send potential US dollar long, or US dollar short, or gold long, gold short, Japanese yen long, Japanese yen short. Yeah, thank you. So this is my opinion. Personally, I'm looking on lower time frames for potential trades, and not on daily, not on weekly. Okay, because with the current account, I'm using a real account here at Learn to Trade, and with the current account, I don't think I can open something like this to place a trade here and to put a stop loss here. No. Yeah. Yeah, of course, to use maybe 1% or 0.5% risk. Yeah. So about US 100, yeah, only false breakout with great separation, and after this amazing rally, a retreat is natural. So that's why maybe I'll wait for a retreat before I will look for potential longs. But right now, no, I don't want to do anything, because the economic data should bring us high volatility and sharp movements later. But yeah, it's in the short term, it's still bullish. Yeah, it's still bullish, but yeah, it's still bullish. It's still bullish, but right now, no, I don't have a high probability setup. Yeah, here an order block. Actually, if the price comes back here to retest to print a potential bearish pattern, new lower low, could activate a downside movement, and only a new higher high and taking out the 13,224 could activate potential further growth, or a larger retreat could bring us new longs. Okay, this is my opinion about US 100, but right now, no, I don't want to do anything right now before the economic data, and also no, I don't want to do anything after this amazing rally. Okay. What? James, please don't send something like this on my on this chat with something like a signal or something. I will take a look on Euro USD again, but personally I've had I'm asking. Okay, sorry. Personally I've had yesterday that pending order. Okay, with and also, James, I will not tell you what to do. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, and if I will have something, I will share my trade. Okay, into the VIP group. And I will share my the thought process, maybe a video talking about the reasons why I've decided to place a pending order, to place a trade. Also, I will come back with my management. Okay, so I will not tell you to go long or short. Yeah, this is only my opinion. These are my analysis, and I will share my trades only if I have a high probability trade. And about 1.1008. I don't know. Sell entry. Yeah. Here, I don't know. Right now, the price is far below the former high. Yeah, probably if it takes this out, but no, No, right now, no. Yeah. I told you guys that I have maybe a different style or strategy. Yeah, yeah. You're talking about this zone, and also if you're using maybe this this indicator, yeah, or actually this indicator shows us maybe on an order block here, supply zone.